I don't know if this is going to work. Today is Transgender Day of Remembrance, 2016. I just came back from a church service. Linda could not attend as she was a little under the weather. I thought of something. As always, I brought up Lisa Empanada. A lot of people don't know, but she actually made videos too. She used a laptop, but she only ever made one video as Lisa. Every other one was done as Tom. But that said, one of those videos, she uses Lisa's voice and reads one of her notes that she'd written on Facebook. Now, as I said, I don't know if this is going to work. What I'm going to do is I'm going to play that video on my computer. The speaker of this microphone should, maybe, pick up the sound, hopefully, and you'll be able to hear Lisa's voice. For many of you, for the first time in years, I guess. So, I'm holding a picture of her, so I'll hold it up during the thing, because otherwise you'd be staring at me just going... Anyway, let's see if this works. Here's Lisa.
Okay, I'm going to do this. 6 things you probably don't care to know about me. Taking the sex out of sexiness. I probably get my share of, and this is like really scratchy, so I'm not happy with this so far, so I'm going to try to shift a little bit. I probably get my share of, I probably get my share of admirers, both male and female, as I am sure most of our friends can attest, happens to them as well. I am usually asked odd questions or I read assumptions made about me. Many men like to send messages and emails giving things all twisted, and yes, even a girl or two from time to time. I don't usually accept friend requests from men because their overall agenda seems to be consistently out of whack with mine. Admittedly, I am sweeping a few quality individuals out the door with a dirty lot. However, on occasion, men can be impressive, and I welcome the friendship once we get to know who's doing what's what. Anyway, since people really do get things twisted about myself and women like me, I've decided to share 6 things that people usually don't know about me or assume wrongly about me. No, I do not have a collection of naughty unmentionables. I don't have a single baby doll nightie or naughty panties with open wide appliques on the front or enter here written on the back. I also do not own a single pair of stockings nor garter belt or pantyhose. And for not having those, I pretty much freeze throughout the winter. I do have a cloak. I do not have a collection of naughty clothes. I do not have a single shot of me not fully clothed. At one point I did, and for whatever reason at that time, I found the experience to be both sexually and emotionally fulfilling. However, I've moved past that point in my life. I find some photos to be very expressive and quite beautiful if tastefully done. But no, I do not have any interest in talking about pics or taking such pics or expressing myself in that way. And aside to my friends, I love it when you find happiness enjoying the beauty and the sexual side of who you are as you capture the moments for yourself and for future enjoyment. I smile inside knowing that how that feels for you, and I celebrate your freedom to do so. I make no judgments of others, and in fact, as stated, I side with the everyone's right to use art and proper media to express their sexual identity. For the most part, I'm really a mostly a butler that kind of girl. To me, that is all that To me, that is all that truly matters in friendships. I could care less.
And that's the end of the video. I don't think she finished the reading, but she kept yawning and she was drinking water. This is the only video I have where I can hear her voice, aside from one that was filmed while she was dancing and she yells "stop it" at whoever's filming. So this is how I remember her. Anyway, I hope it came out. I don't know if it did. So, be well, everyone. Sophie saying bye.